Where did you?
Tron set for huge leaps after ChangeHero lists TRX. Tron is getting another mega boost after another popular, fast-growing crypto exchange listed it on its platform. ChangeHero, the exchange in question, facilitates crypto-to-crypto exchanges. Announcing the news of the listing on Twitter, Tron's Justin Sun said that TRX users can now exchange USD for TRX at ChangeHero's instant exchange. Being a fast-expanding platform, ChangeHero accommodates over 100 cryptocurrencies for trade and supports 9 languages. One of Tron's cornerstone strengths is facilitating fast transactions and ensuring that its network users have the best experience. The gains. As a matter of fact, the listing of TRX on ChangeHero is bound to bear fruits in the near future. First off, ChangeHero offers the best rates and an impressive 5-star support system for its customers, and that means that TRX will benefit from the secure transfer facility on the platform. The exchange has since availed TRX to all its users to trade on the platform. Besides that, customers can now exchange the coins for USD on the same platform, with more currencies or trading pairs set to be introduced in time. Evidently, many crypto exchanges have had a positive regard of Tron since its maiden entry into the market, and that support seems to have grown even stronger after the launch of Tron's mainnet and migration from the TRX-20 network. Tron migrated to the new mainnet back in June 21, 2018, and large players in the crypto exchange business like Binance, TRX, and Bitfinex have supported it all along. In fact, Tron's long-term vision and ease of liquidity is one of the reasons that it's gaining so much traction in the crypto world. More support from other quarters besides ChangeHero, Tron has also been added on Abra, a progressive crypto wallet that supports over 28 cryptocurrencies in its built-in exchange function. It supports cryptos like Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, DJI Byte, XRP, Cardano, among others. On Twitter, Justin Sun praised Abra as an easy-to-use app where users can easily sell, buy, or safely store their cryptocurrencies. To prove that TRX really meets the high standards that users need in the market, Abra explained, on its official website, that it carries out serious vetting of each cryptocurrency that joins its platform, including and not limited to the crypto's liquidity. Abra also announced plans to launch an app to enable people to purchase cryptos via banks. TRX is among the cryptocurrencies to be floated for purchase. From where it stands right now, TRX looks very attractive to many other crypto exchanges expected to list it in the near future, and that will obviously affect its price upwards. Is Tron, TRX, building a decentralized exchange for future tokens on its platform? The Tron, TRX, community on Twitter is excited over news that there is a TRX decentralized exchange in the pipeline. According to the rumors, the decentralized exchange will be known as TRX Market, and the team behind it have declared their candidacy for Tron's super representative elections. One of the tweets that mentions the TRX decentralized exchange is by @Elfofmist, who lives and breathes Tron. His tweet can be seen below with the accompanying image of the anticipated TRX decentralized exchange. Further investigating the claim, we find that the team TRX Market has been mentioned by Justin Sun in a tweet that stated the following: TRX Market will run for #Tron. TRX Market is a decentralized exchange based on the #Tron network. It aims to provide decentralized exchange services for the Tron community. #TRX. $TRX. The announcement on the Tron Super Representative page states that TRX Market plans on working together with the other 26 duly elected seniors to build the Tron community, maintain the healthy development of the community, and contribute to the progress of the blockchain industry. Is with the above statements that it can be deduced that TRX Market is a completely separate entity from the Tron Foundation. This furthers the notion that Justin Sun and the Tron Foundation plan on taking a hands-off approach in terms of the governance of the Tron ecosystem. Once all the seniors are elected, the future of the project solely lies in the hands of the community and the seniors that represent them. Is TRX market exclusively for Tron future tokens? Now the million-dollar question here is if TRX market will be a decentralized exchange for all cryptocurrencies in the cryptoverse, or will it be specifically for tokens created on the yet-to-be-complete mainnet? The picture provided with the logo of TRX market states that it is a decentralized exchange for TRC20 tokens. The TRC20 protocol is part of the Trust Node's first mineable DAG, Directed Acyclic Graph, public ledger. Trust Node provides a solution for tokenized applications and microtransactions that is fast, easy to use, low cost, and scalable. The TRC20 standard makes it easy for anyone on any device to issue and transfer their own tokens. The Trust Node's Medium page goes on to state the following about Tron. The implementation of the third and fourth phase of Tron blockchain will give content creators a stake for personal brand through individual ICOs. To implement this, Tron might have to implement Ethereum-like smart contracts. From this last phrase, we can deduce that ICOs and unique tokens on the Tron network are a possibility in the future. With TRX market becoming a super representative, these TRX-based tokens will have a decentralized exchange for trading. Perhaps a clarification on how the TRX market decentralized exchange will operate will be provided with time and after they accumulate enough votes to become super representatives on the Tron network. What is known from the above research is that it is not directly associated with the Tron Foundation or Justin Sun. Tron, TRX, is about to break out. Don't sell it just yet, not at all. Tron's TRONX's price has been stuck lately despite all of the fantastic developments and milestones that the Tron project has achieved over the last 2 months. But this is mainly due to the enormous influence Bitcoin has over the cryptosphere, and it's been doing poorly lately. The whole market has been under the bear's hug for a while now, except the last couple of days, and it has nothing to do with Tron, TRX. As the market has turned green in the last couple of days, many speculators have been thinking about selling Tron, TRX, as they think this is the high time they can save themselves from losing their money. Those are the ones who think they picked a wrong coin. The current situation is an excellent opportunity for those who don't own any TRs to get some, and those who do already hold some TronX coins should keep them. Yes, don't sell because it is just the beginning and Tron is about to explode, and I'll explain to you why. Let's start with the most straightforward reason, market mechanics. During the market's last bullish run, Tron achieved a historical high of 23 US cents. It's now 2 US cents, which is almost 15% of its maximum value. That alone is enough to suspect that, in the next bullish run, TRX has a lot of room to recover, and it probably won't just recover but surpass that 0.23 limit. Keep also in mind that the peak happened at a time in which the Tron project was not even 5 months old and was doing a lot more marketing than development. But now the tables are turned. Which brings us to the next reason. Well, several reasons, but they all have to do with a root cause of development. At this point, Tron is a much more robust project than it was months ago. It's secured some important partnerships. One of them happened just recently, with Line. It's gone 100% independent from the Ethereum platform and ERC20 token. Its new virtual machine is already live, and, most amazingly, it bought BitTorrent, no less. Let's talk about BitTorrent. It's the world's main peer-to-peer decentralized information sharing network, with 150 million users worldwide. It's enormous, and it's the only relevant service of its kind because it drove every competitor, eDonkey, eMule, etc., out of the market. Tron announced as the current month began that Project Elastic will be a fusion of sorts of Tron and BitTorrent in such a way that BitTorrent will use Tron's new mainnet as its base platform. That alone will increase BitTorrent's performance significantly, But there's more. Tron plans to use TRX tokens to create incentives for torrent users to seed their content for longer times. And there's 150 million of them. All those users will become, maybe some unknowingly, new Tron users that will be driving the network and will be creating demand and utility for TRX. Another new feature in the Tron environment is the virtual machine, which has been getting excellent reviews. Some have called it the most versatile two-lever to hit the cryptosphere, and they compare it to the 80s TV character ChangeHero, who was famous for his ability to build a nuclear bomb using only duct tape, 2 spoons, a saucepan and a Swiss Army knife. To keep things short, let's say that today's Tron is a different beast than it was a semester ago. The community is much bigger, more committed, and while back then it seemed like the promise of an excellent blockchain project, many of the features envisioned for the future are now a reality. Today Tron has real utility to solve real-world problems, which means that when the next bullish run shows up, Tron is going to explode spectacularly. Last but not least, I probably have noted this several times in my articles in the past, we're talking about a very young project. It's barely 1 year old, and it's already achieved so much in such a short time. Just imagine what it will do over the next year now that its foundation is laid and has proven to be substantial. Mark our words. Tron will explode. The last couple of days' highs are just the beginning, sooner or later. Don't sell just yet. And yes, it hasn't uncoupled from the king, Bitcoin, as yet, so if market shakes, it will follow the footsteps too, no matter what it does as of now, but Tron looks bound to succeed ultimately. Patient ones might have their dream car,